Hi there, students. Quest. A quest. A countable noun. You can also use it as a verb, to quest. Okay, a quest is a long and difficult search for something that's not easy to find. So, for example, from classical mythology, Jason and the Argonauts went on a quest in search of the golden fleece. Okay, so a long search for something that's difficult to find, or to achieve something that's very difficult to achieve. So I hope this video helps you in your quest to speak perfect English. Nothing will stop him in his quest for the truth. I'm on a quest for to discover the meaning of life. Okay, he went to an ashram on a spiritual quest. Yeah, he's on a quest to achieve the perfect recipe. Okay, so a quest, a search for something difficult, pursuing something, but it's not, where are my glasses? I'm in a quest for my glasses. Well, it could be if you've been looking for your glasses for 3 weeks and you've looked at everywhere and you're still looking for them. So it's got to be something that's difficult to find. Okay, and then to quest, to go in search of something. He quested for knowledge. That he travelled to California in a quest for gold. Yeah, the gold rush. All these people on a quest for gold. Or in role-playing video games, very often they are quests where you need to do different things in order to get something special. The sword of the monster, or some specific item that's really difficult to get. And that's the idea of a quest. To go on a quest for something, to quest, to pursue, to seek, to try to get, to be on a mission. Very often a quest involves a journey. They were on a quest to find the Holy Grail, the quest for the Holy Grail. They were questing for the Holy Grail. He is on a quest for true love. Yeah, he's trying to find it. Okay, so to be on a quest for, to go in quest of something. Yeah, he is participating in a quest to know the true makeup of the universe. Okay, a quest. How formal is this, or to quest? I think it's probably slightly literary. I think I would probably give it a 6 in formality. A long and difficult search for something. Yeah, a journey in search of a goal. So 6 in formality. You can use it informally. It's probably better something semi-formally, particularly if you're using it as a verb. And remember, to quest is not something that's easy to find. Yeah, in his quest for wealth, he has tried many different things, but so far has been unsuccessful. Okay, so it's not something that's easy to find. In my quest for my favorite T-shirt, no, unless you've been looking for it for a long time and you keep looking for it and keep looking for it, but you can't find it. And then you're using the word quest in a slightly joking way. Yeah, you're normally questing for something metaphysical. Alchemists and their quest to turn lead into gold. Yeah, in their quest for the philosopher's stone. Okay, so it's something of a higher order, maybe something more metaphysical. Yeah, To quest, to undertake a mission or a job, yeah? Okay, then what about origin? Okay, let's see, there's an old French word, quest, a search or a hunt or acquisition, which comes from the Latin word queste, okay, which is to seek or to look for. And I guess originally it comes from the Latin word quae, meaning what. Okay? Yeah, in a quest for the answer, in a quest for the answer to the eternal truths of the universe. So, good luck in your quest to perfect your English. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Quest.